Hey everyone, this is your host Navneet. In this video, we'll talk about the resultant of two vectors. Resultant of two vectors. Here, as you can see, suppose we have two vectors, vector A and vector B, vector A and vector B, and we have to find the resultant vector of these two vectors. We have to find the resultant vector of these two vectors. And also, it is given that mod of A is equal to A. That means the value of vector A is equal to mod of vector A is equal to A, and the mod of value B is equal to B. Mod of vector B is equal to B. Here you can see, if I plot the vectors in xy plane, this is vector A and this is vector B. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, and the angle between vector A and vector B is theta. Angle between vector and vector B is theta. Then how can you find the resultant of these two vectors? Resultant of these two vectors, vector A and B, will be shown. Okay, you can see what we do actually is we resolve the vector A and vector B towards x-axis and y-axis. We take the actually components of vector A and vector B towards x-axis and y-axis. Here was A, so A will remain same. Okay, and here was B at angle theta. This is angle alpha as angle theta. When we resolve the B cos theta, the component of B will be B cos theta on x-axis. Okay, so A plus B cos theta. When we resolve B on y-axis, it will become B sin theta. Okay, B sin theta, and the resultant of these two vectors will be R vector, and it makes angle alpha with x-axis. Okay, the resultant of these two vectors, vector A and vector B, will be R vector, and it makes the angle alpha with x-axis. Now here we can write vector R is equal to A plus B cos theta I cap plus B sin theta j cap. A plus B cos theta I cap plus B sin theta j cap. When we square or take mod n square of both the sides, here will be mod of R square is equal to A plus B cos theta whole square plus B sin theta whole square. Open the bracket, A square plus B square cos theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. A square plus B square, take together this and this, so B square will be common and cos square theta plus sin square theta will be in bracket. Okay, so here plus 2AB cos theta remaining. Now in next step, A square plus B square, and we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So here we take 1 plus 2AB cos theta as it is. Now you will find the mod of R is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta within under root. So under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta will be modulus of resultant. This is the mod of resultant of vector A and vector B. That means this is the mod of vector R. Okay, how you can find alpha? How to find the alpha? We can also find that. How? Hey, this is our A plus B cos theta, and this is R. Let us this is a point P. Okay, and this is B, and this is A, and this is O. So if I write the vector form of R, then we'll see if it will be A plus B cos theta I cap plus B sin theta j cap. In triangle OPA, in this triangle OPA, in this triangle, if we write the tan alpha, okay, tan alpha is equal to this AP upon OP, sorry, AP upon OA, AP upon OA is equal to, what is AP? AP is nothing but B sin theta divided by OA. OA is nothing but A plus B cos theta. So in this way you can find the angle alpha. Tan alpha is equal to B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta, or alpha is equal to tan inverse of B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. So this is all for now. In next video we'll do some practice problems. Till then, bye, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.